Hi to all. Today we are going to see arithmetic, direct and indirect method.
Measures of central tendency. Okay, in that arithmetic mean. So in the sum arithmetic mean the பார்க்க போறோம் direct method and indirect method. Okay, so calculate arithmetic mean. Okay, so this is a question we have class intervals. Okay, and we have frequency. So class intervals starts, it's a continuous class intervals பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், it starts from 0 to 10. Okay, and once the upper limit is 10, the second one or the lower limit பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it again starts with 10. So it is a continuous class interval. Okay, so we have frequency, right? So now what we are going to see, we are going to see arithmetic mean by direct method. We are going to see two methods with the same questions. First we are going to see arithmetic mean with direct method. Okay, we know the formula. We know the formula for calculating arithmetic mean. Okay, the formula is for arithmetic mean, it is x bar is equal to summation of fx by n, where n is nothing but the total of frequency. Okay, summation of f. Okay, right, and here x is nothing but mid x. Since we have class interval, so we have to find the mid x. Okay ma, so that we have to do now, right? One second. So this is the formula. So first what we are supposed to do is, I'll tell you. Yes, we have to find mid x, then x into f. Okay, ஃபஸ்ட்டு மிட் எக்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எக்ஸையும் எஃப்ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இது ரெண்டும் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னாக்கா, we can calculate mean, right? மிட் எக்ஸ்ன்றது என்ன, கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வலோட மிடில் நம்பர். ஸோ 0 to 10, the middle number is what? 5. Okay,
5.
Yes, the next one is 15. Next it's 25, 35,
35, 45,
55,
55,
65,
65,
75,
75,
85
85,
and
95.
95. Okay, so so we found x. Now what we have to calculate, we have to calculate summation of fx. So total of fx நமக்கு வேணும். Okay, so total of fx வேணும்னா நமக்கு வந்து f-ஐயும் x-ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். So we have to multiply f and x. We have f frequency and we have x mid x. Okay, so we are going to multiply it. So 6 into 5 is 30, right? Likewise எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடுங்க, right? Like 28 into 95 is 2660, right? நமக்கு what actually we require is, we require summation of fx. Okay, total of f into x. We have fx. So what is the total of fx? So add all these things. Okay, so add all, you will get total of 9,975. Okay, so what is this? This is summation of fx, right? This is total of summation of fx, and add this one, frequency. Next என்ன வேணும் நமக்கு? See the formula. Okay, see the formula. What we required, we got summation of fx. Now we want n. Okay, n is nothing but summation of f. Okay, so summation of f, add all the frequency, you get 179. Okay, take this there. We got n is equal to 179 and summation of fx is equal to 9,975. So substituting this value in the formula. So what is the formula for direct method? So I'm just substituting. S bar is equal to summation of fx by n. So summation of fx is 9975 divided by n value is 179. Calculating this, what is the answer? 55.72. So this is the mean value for the given question. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to see with the same question indirect method. இதே question வச்சு நம்ம indirect method நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினாக்க பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, right. So first we want to know the formula for calculating mean in indirect method, right? So the formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fd divided by n into c. Here a, d, n and c. C is nothing but class interval. Okay, difference of class interval. N is nothing but summation of f. D is equal to x minus a by c. Then what is a? The a is nothing but the middle number of the assumed mean. A is nothing but assumed mean, the middle value of mid-x. Okay, mid-x oda middle value and the assumed mean நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், நம்ம we are assuming it and we are taking it. Okay, so we are going for the same question. See, we are going for the same question. So we have the question class intervals and frequency and we found mid-x. Okay, what is the formula? The formula is summation of fd. We doesn't want x but we need a d. To calculate d, we must know x minus a by c. So x we know, mid-x. A we have to find and c we have to find. C is nothing but the class intervals. What is the value difference between the class intervals? Difference between the lower limit and upper limit. What is the value? 0 to 10.
10, sir.
Yes, 0 to 10.
10.
10 to 20. 20 to 30. The frequency difference, sorry, the class interval difference is 10 numbers. Okay, so here c is equal to 10. Okay, c is equal to 10. Now we have to find a. So what is a? See here, it starts from 5, 15, 25 till 95. Okay, I'm taking the middlemost number. Okay, so for example, totally 10 values are there. So you can just separate like this. Any number you can take, you will get the answer. Okay, what I do is I just split these numbers, first 5 numbers and second 5 numbers. Okay, I can either take 45 or 55 as a. Okay, so now 45 எடுத்துக்கலாம் இல்ல 55 எடுத்துக்கலாம், எது வேணா நான் a ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். I am assuming a is equal to 45. See, if it is 9 numbers, okay, இப்போ இதில் வந்து 9 numbers இருக்குன்னா எக்ஸாக்டாக மிடில் வேல்யூ எடுத்துக்கோங்க, ஆன்சர்ஸ் கரெக்டாக வந்துடும். Okay, for example, you have only till 85 வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். Then what is the middle number? First 4 number and the last 4 number, the middle number will be 45. You can take like this. Okay, so I am assumed mean a is equal to 45. Okay, so see, I got a is equal to 45 and c is equal to 10. Now I know the value of x. Okay, so I am going to calculate d is equal to x minus a by c. First value, x oda value enna irukku? 5. I'll just do one thing, I'll just copy this. Yes. Okay, so value of x is
5.
yes, value of x is, so 5 minus a oda value is 45 by 10, which is equal to 40 minus 40 by 10, which is equal to minus 4. To calculate the second value, for the second value, D equal to x minus a by c, which is the value of x for second one is 15 minus 45 by 10. Only the value of x will change for all. C and a is remain same. Okay, now I will get minus 3, right? So see, I'm calculating the value of D, right? D is equal to minus 4. And for the next one it is minus 3. நீங்கள் calculate பண்ணிங்கன்னா next one you will get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, but I doesn't want the D value alone. Okay, எனக்கு D value வச்சு எனக்கு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. Is there any uses of only having D value? No, I want to multiply f into D, f into D, f into D. Okay, so frequency into D, right? See, what is the first value of frequency? It is 6. What is the first value of D? It is minus 4. So 6 into 4,
minus 24.
yes, 24. So plus into minus is minus 24. Okay, so likewise we have to multiply all the value. I'm just using the formula now to calculate quicker, but we have to use manually. Yes, 10 into 3 is 30. So likewise we have to do. Sorry. One second, some error is there. Okay, we manually multiply it. It is minus 24, right? Minus 35, 0, 20, again 20, 33, 23 into 4, 23 into 4, 92. Then 28.
140.
Yeah, 140. Yes. Now add all this. First add all the all plus numbers. Okay, first add all positive numbers, you will get 305. Then add all negative numbers, minus 133. So 305 minus 133, you will get 192.
Same, sir.
Yes, so we got FD is equal to 192. Check whether all the values we got to substitute in the formula. We know what is A is 45, FD is equal to 192, N is equal to 179, C is equal to 10. So I think we got all the values. Now we are going to substitute these things into the formulas. Also before we want to write the formula. X bar, once again pen tool, yes, X bar is equal to A plus summation of FD by N into C. C is equal to 10, N is equal to 179, A is equal to 45, and summation of FD is equal to 192. So we are going to substitute all this. We are going to substitute all this into the formula. So X bar is equal to 45 plus summation of FD. What is the value of summation of FD? It is 192 by N is 179 into class intervals. We got the value 10. See, what we have to do is we have to solve this part first. We are not supposed to take A first. Okay, the 45 A oda value நம்ம எடுக்க கூடாது. இதை சால்வ் பண்ணி ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர்ஸை we have to add with A. Okay, we are not supposed to do anything before with A, like okay, இது ப்ளஸ் இது டிவைடில் இருக்குது, cross multiplication LCM எடுக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா we are not supposed to do. Okay, we have to solve this. We have to get the answer for this. Then we have to multiply these things to A. Okay, so 45 plus 192 divided by 179. 192 divided by 179, we get 1.07, right? So 1.07 into 10. Okay, so again we have to complete this part and then only we have to go there into 10. So we got 10.72. okay, so 45 plus 10.72. so x bar இப்போ தான் இந்த ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, x bar is equal to 55.72. Do you remember what is the answer for the first one? We do in direct method. See, 55.72. Direct method பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்தது? 55.72 தானே? The same answers we got when we use indirect method also.